Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to lecture 10 part 2. In this lecture recording we will discuss another four topics related to Islam and issues related to human development, which is nurturing inclusive development in Muslim communities, nurturing well-being, mental health, and healthcare in Muslim communities, issues in politics and socio-economic and environmental issues. Nurturing inclusive development in Muslim communities. Muslim communities worldwide face diverse challenges that impact their development and social well-being. This topic focuses on several key issues: promoting healthy family dynamics and women's rights, inclusivity and accessibility for persons with disabilities, addressing the needs for an aging population, and empowering youth for positive development. By addressing these challenges, Muslim communities can foster inclusive development, empower individuals, and build stronger, more resilient societies. One, promoting healthy family dynamics and women's rights. Within the context of Islamic teachings, promoting healthy family dynamics, addressing gender roles, marriage, divorce, and parenting are ongoing concerns. Muslim communities strive to ensure the protection of women's rights, challenge discriminatory practices, and foster an environment of equality, respect, and support. By promoting women's education, economic opportunities, and leadership roles, Muslim communities can empower women and create a foundation for inclusive development. Two, inclusivity and accessibility for persons with disabilities. Muslim communities recognize the importance of inclusivity and accessibility for individuals with disabilities. Efforts are underway to address physical accessibility, provide educational and employment opportunities, and foster a culture of inclusivity and support. By promoting equal access to services, resources, and opportunities, Muslim communities can empower individuals with disabilities and create a more inclusive society. Three, addressing the needs of an aging population. Like many other societies, Muslim communities are experiencing demographic shifts with an aging population. Developing policies and programs to support the needs of elderly individuals, including healthcare, social support, and caregiving services, is crucial for their well being and quality of life. By promoting age friendly environments, intergenerational connections, and comprehensive elderly care, Muslim communities can ensure a dignified and fulfilling life for their older members. Four, empowering youth for positive development. Engaging and empowering Muslim youth is essential for their personal growth and the overall progress of Muslim communities. Providing opportunities for education, skill building, and leadership development, and addressing the unique challenges faced by young Muslims are key areas of focus. By nurturing their talents, promoting critical thinking, and providing platforms for youth participation, Muslim communities can harness the potential of their young generation as agents of positive change. Nurturing well-being, mental health, and healthcare in Muslim communities. Muslim communities worldwide recognize the importance of addressing mental health issues and ensuring access to quality healthcare services. By promoting awareness, reducing stigma, and providing culturally sensitive care aligned with Islamic values, Muslim communities can foster holistic well-being and support the overall development of individuals. This topic delves into the significance of mental health initiatives and healthcare improvements within Muslim communities, highlighting the pressing issues that need attention. Addressing mental health. Within Muslim communities, addressing mental health issues is gaining recognition as a crucial aspect of human development. Promoting awareness about mental health conditions, normalizing discussions around mental well being, and reducing the stigma associated with seeking help are key steps. Culturally sensitive mental health programs that incorporate Islamic values and teachings can resonate with individuals, creating a supportive environment for seeking assistance and addressing mental health challenges. By providing access to trained professionals, counseling services, and support networks, Muslim communities can ensure that individuals receive the care they need to thrive mentally and emotionally. Two, enhancing healthcare services. Ensuring access to quality healthcare services is a priority for Muslim communities. Developing healthcare infrastructure that is well equipped, adequately staffed, and accessible to all members of the community is vital. This includes addressing public health challenges such as diseases, maternal and child health, and chronic conditions prevalent in Muslim majority countries. By investing in healthcare system, training healthcare professionals, and promoting preventive healthcare practices, Muslim communities can improve overall health outcomes and support the development of thriving societies. Three, women's health and well-being. Women's health is a significant aspect of healthcare within Muslim communities. Addressing issues such as maternal health, reproductive health, and gender-specific condition is crucial. Empowering women to make informed decisions about their health, providing access to reproductive healthcare services, and ensuring comprehensive support throughout different stages of life contribute to the well-being of women and their families. By prioritizing human health, Muslim communities can foster gender equality, enhance family dynamics, and promote overall development. For mental health and healthcare in the context of Islamic values. Islamic teachings emphasize the importance of holistic well being, including mental and physical health. Islamic values can serve as a guiding framework in promoting mental health initiatives and healthcare improvements. Incorporating Islamic principles of compassion, empathy, and community support can enhance the effectiveness of mental health programs and healthcare services, creating an environment that nurtures individuals' well being while respecting cultural and religious beliefs. Issues in politics and socio-economic. Muslim communities face multifaceted challenges in their pursuit of social justice, political representation, and socio-economic development. This topic sheds light on the pressing issues of limited political representation, socio-economic disparities, and the significance of Islamic finance in empowering Muslim communities. By addressing these challenges, Muslim communities can strive for equitable and inclusive societies that promote the well-being and empowerment of their members. One, political representation. Political representation is crucial for any community's development, and Muslim communities are no exception. Limited representation can hinder policy making processes, impeding the ability to address specific concerns and needs. Promoting inclusive political systems, enhancing political participation, and advocating for diverse representation are vital steps in ensuring that the voices and interests of Muslim communities are heard and reflected in decision making processes. By engaging in active citizenship, promoting voter education, and encouraging Muslim individuals to pursue political careers, Muslim communities can work towards achieving equitable political representation. Two, promoting social justice. Promoting social justice within Muslim communities is an ongoing challenge that requires a commitment to addressing socio-economic disparities. Income inequality, limited access to healthcare, education, housing, and basic services are issues that disproportionately affect certain segments of Muslim populations. To advance social justice, efforts should focus on bridging these gaps through inclusive policies, equitable resource distribution, and targeted interventions. By promoting equal opportunities, addressing discrimination, and fostering community solidarity, Muslim communities can strive for a more just and inclusive society. Three, addressing socio-economic disparities. Muslim communities, particularly in certain regions, face socio-economic challenges that contribute to disparities. Higher poverty rates, limited access to education, healthcare, and employment opportunities can hinder development and well being. To address these disparities, initiatives should focus on poverty alleviation, improving access to quality education and healthcare, and creating economic opportunities. By tackling systematic by tackling systemic barriers, combating discrimination, and promoting inclusive economic policies, Muslim communities can foster socio-economic development that benefits all members of society. For the significance of Islamic finance. Islamic finance plays a vital role in economic development within Muslim majority countries. Adherence to Islamic principles in financial transaction and investment practices ensures ethical and responsible financial systems. Promoting financial inclusions, developing robust Islamic banking and financial institutions, and expanding access to Islamic finance are essential steps in promoting economic empowerment and equitable development. By aligning financial practices with Islamic values, Muslim communities can create a financial ecosystem that supports the growth and well being of individuals and businesses. Environmental issues, access to clean water, proper sanitation facilities, and environmental sustainability are vital concerns for Muslim communities. This topic explores the challenges faced by many Muslim majority countries in ensuring access to clean water and sanitation infrastructure. It also highlights the growing recognition of environmental sustainability within an Islamic framework, emphasizing the importance of balancing economic development with environmental conservation and addressing climate change challenges. One, access to clean water and sanitation. Many Muslim majority countries grapple with the challenge of ensuring access to clean water and adequate sanitation facilities. Issues such as water scarcity, water pollution, and inadequate infrastructure hinder public health, economic development, and the overall well being of communities. To address these challenges, concerted efforts are needed, including the development of sustainable water management strategies, investment in water infrastructure, and the promotion of efficient water use. By prioritizing access to clean water and sanitation, Muslim communities can improve public health outcomes, enhance productivity, and support overall development. Two, environmental sustainability within an Islamic framework. Within the Islamic faith, the concept of environmental stewardship and sustainable development is gaining recognition. Muslims are increasingly embracing the responsibility to protect and preserve the environment as mandated by Islamic teachings. Balancing economic development with environmental conservation is an important consideration. By adopting sustainable practices such as renewable energy utilization, waste management, and biodiversity conservation, Muslim communities can contribute to mitigating climate change and protecting natural resources. The principles of moderation, accountability, and caring for the earth, as emphasized in Islamic teachings, provide a solid foundation for promoting environmental sustainability. Three, addressing climate change challenges. Climate change poses significant challenges globally, and Muslim communities are not exempt from its impacts. Rising temperatures, changing weather patterns, and extreme weather events can disproportionately affect vulnerable population within Muslim majority countries. Addressing climate change requires collaborative efforts at local, national, and international levels. Muslim communities can actively participate in initiatives such as promoting renewable energy, reducing greenhouse gas emission, and adapting to climate change impacts. By incorporating Islamic teachings that emphasize responsible stewardship of the earth, Muslim communities can play a crucial role in safeguarding the environment for present and future generations. With that, we end our second part of the lecture. Inshallah, we will continue in part three, where we are going to discuss further three other topics: nurturing cultural preservation and integration in Muslim communities, education, intellectual science and technology, and ethics and morals, building sustainable futures in Muslim countries, in Muslim communities. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.